Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wi-Fi on your PC without a dedicated adapter. Many people assume their computer can't connect wirelessly, but often there are built-in capabilities or simple workarounds. We'll go over how to check if your PC already has Wi-Fi, and if not, explore several clever methods to get you online. This guide will help you understand your options and connect to the internet seamlessly, ensuring you stay productive and entertained without needing extra hardware. First, let's verify if your PC truly lacks Wi-Fi. Modern desktop motherboards and most laptops come with integrated wireless capabilities. You can check your device manager for a network adapter listed as wireless or Wi-Fi. Also, look for a Wi-Fi icon in your system tray or network settings. If you find one, you're all set. If not, don't worry, we have other solutions. This step is crucial to avoid unnecessary purchases and ensure you're not overlooking existing features. If your PC doesn't have built-in Wi-Fi, there are still excellent ways to get online. One popular method is using your smartphone as a mobile hotspot, sharing its cellular data connection with your computer. Another option is USB tethering, which connects your phone directly to your PC via a cable, providing a stable internet link. For a more permanent solution, consider power line adapters, which use your home's electrical wiring to extend your network, offering a reliable wired connection where Wi-Fi might be weak. To summarize, before buying an adapter, always confirm your PC's existing Wi-Fi capabilities through the device manager or system settings. If you discover your computer truly lacks wireless hardware, don't despair. Your smartphone can serve as an immediate solution through mobile hotspots or USB tethering. For a more robust and long-term setup, exploring power line adapters or even installing an internal Wi-Fi card are viable options. With these methods, you can enjoy wireless internet on your PC without needing a traditional Wi-Fi adapter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.